Hi, I'm Coach Manny. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a candle lantern. So all you have to do is mark 4 corners here, and basically what you want to do is just to make a window out of your can. Basically you're gonna what you'd want to do is open one side, the other one, and you have your window. Light your candle and lagyan mo lang ng a few drops inside para maging sturdy ang ano nyo, ang light nyo. So you just have to be careful kasi open flame pa rin siya and the can gets hot, so it's not advisable na ipasok nyo sa loob ng tent. Pareho lang yung use ng candle, pero ngayon gagamit lang tayo ng crayon. Okay? Do not remove the paper kasi yung paper would act as a wick. So basically crayons, yung burn time nito is around 15 to 30 minutes. So what we have here is a crayon, but you have to watch out kasi yung fumes niya, it's not that really good. So it could be used lang for emergencies. Always remember, after using it, this is Coach Manny. I'll see you outside.